Hey, what's up everybody? It's Thursday, June 16th. I'm in Central Park, and for today's new thing, we're gonna go watch the New York Philharmonic play their free concert up on the Great Lawn. Before I get out to the concert, I'm walking through the Ramble, find a good spot for the fireworks. Yeah, I like that. Okay, I'm happy with that spot, even though I wouldn't recommend coming in here at nighttime because there's no lights. Getting up towards the castle, can you hear the music? I misjudged it a little bit. Put the fireworks behind trees. Well, that's it for today's new thing. I'd say the concert was a huge success. Fireworks were great. My bad on the location. Overall, great night. Love hanging out in the park, especially on a beautiful summer night like this. So, what are you guys gonna do today? Leave a comment below or hashtag it with today's new thing on Instagram or Twitter. Talk to you later.